Most people run towards the comfort of the familiar. Because familiar feels safe. But an explorer always rides towards the unknown. On unnamed roads and uncharted paths. Who knew that for us, those paths would lead to an active volcano? Riding on the slopes of Mount Bromo, miles beyond familiar Jakarta, we found ourselves more alive than ever. Days of riding on all roads and no roads, through long distances and pelting rain. Gone, just like that, like the shift of a gear. But did a mountain full of lava quench our thirst for adventure? No, it only fueled our quest for more.